Yes, I would like to talk to you in English. My name is Jörg Schulz-Neumann. I have been art teacher in Berlin for 35 years. My profession was a gymnasium teacher, and my pupils, my students, normally have been of the age 15, 16, 17 up to 20. And then they did the German Abitur and they left school. I'm now here in this little congress, European Grundtvig project called His Story. His Story. This means that elder people like me, I'm 69, that these people are able to tell their story, their life story, or parts of it, and also that are made able to film, to register their own stories or the stories of other friends of them. And this is a aim which I really wanted to support. And that's the reason why today it's the 30th of November, the second day of this little congress. I'm very proud of telling you that I like to be here in order to have how should I say, to have an insight of European problems of elder people in Italy, in Germany, yes, this I know quite well, but also Finland. There are some people from Finland, there are some people from Greece, and from Belgium. And so I find that these 3 days did help me a lot in order to become someone who is capable of filming, interviewing other people. And what I at last wanted to say is a little story. I nearly became English teacher. So I'm going to my personal story, not his story, but my story. And at a certain point of my studies in Berlin, I had to have a second subject apart from arts. And I thought, well, should be English, why not? I went to England, had a girlfriend, an English one, and I liked the English life in a way, and it was quite, well, I thought it would work. At a certain point, a certain time, after or in between my studies, I gave it up, and I said no, to talk to pupils or students in order to give them an idea of the English grammar, English vocabulary, and for instance that they are able to say put, or speak, spoken. I mean, all this stuff, I think it's much better to learn it in the country itself. So for my person, I really told myself, no, I take another subject. And at that time, it was in the 70s, yes, 70, yeah, before, beginning of 70, I decided to take another subject, which was Werken. Werken is handicraft. And then I took a third subject, which was theater. So at least I had three different subjects. Yes, that's the little story about being English teacher or not being English teacher. On the other hand, I must admit that it's quite good that at that time I really tried to get into the English language, which nowadays, or let's say in these days here in Torino, Italy, where every one of the members had to speak English. This is our European language of nowadays. And in order to become a European, we all Europeans should concentrate on learning English so we can talk to each other. Otherwise, it's it should be or would be a little bit hard. And at the end of this little interview, I must say that today I learned how to film and how to cut a little film. I brought with me my computer, and I liked very much to get an idea about iMovie, which is a program of a famous firm. And iMovie, I had my first success, and it was great, I must say you. And at least but not last, I really want to point it out, or to say it quite distinctly, that I liked it very much to be here and to learn something for my further decades. I'm going to live in Europe. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.